January 1st, 1804, Haitians freed themselves from slavery. The French would have the people they enslaved, which were Haitians, make them a delicacy called soup Joumou, and they wouldn't even let Haitians have one bite of it. I'm in Brooklyn, and we're gonna go have some soup Joumou with some Haitian friends. What's up, bro?
Good to see you.
What's your name?
Edwin Raymond.
What is your story?
At 15, I started getting harassed by cops. I made a decision to join the police department. 8 years into my career, I became a whistleblower to eliminate the quota system that's used, unfortunately.
It's not a coincidence that you're Haitian and that you're one of the biggest whistleblowers that people know.
We're revolutionaries. That's the thing that connects Haitians all over the world. January 1st is our Independence Day. We all enjoy this soup. The community loves this spot. In the summertime, this is one of the focal points. It's designed to cater to the entire community.
Soup Joumou, doesn't matter who makes it. It just tastes like a grandma's soup. We're at Jean, and this is the owner. What's your name?
Wesley Simon.
Taught you how to cook.
We all start with our mom. Grew up with none but sisters. I'm the only son. I never went to culinary school.
Damn.
Been in my blood. I've been doing it for 15 years.
Look happy as hell, man.
What's not to be happy? I'm not working. I'm doing what I got to do.
After you did what you had to do in the police, did anybody else go after you?
Dozens of officers were inspired, more so than just New York, all across the nation. Just like the Haitian Revolution.
No, that's what I'm alluding to. When you make massive action, things need to follow it. That's why they've been trying to bring down Haiti for so many years.
After Haiti receives its independence, it starts to help liberate Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador. This is literally why you see the red and blue on those flags. All that Haiti asks in return, those places have to abolish slavery. So those countries were already born free because of Haiti.
That's why I fell in love with the Caribbean, a community where people give, asking nothing in return.
When you look at what Haiti has gone through over the years, they still find ways to persevere and will be giving at the same time.
What is the term you guys have? It's called conbit.
I don't know that term.
It's the concept of working together to fulfill a goal.
You went to Haiti, you teaching me. So.
Even when I saw the most poor kids on the street, they were still very inspiring and they still had so much joy.
We complain about small things here. To go over there and see them facing what they're facing and still be happy and laugh.
People were racist towards Haitians in Brooklyn. Can you talk about that?
In a world where Western ideology has demonized African spirituality, the stigma of being voodoo practitioners. We sound different, we look a little different, we're not embraced by the region.
We have an uncle that only listen to reggae, spoke patois. He wouldn't acknowledge that he was Haitian for years.
People that practice voodoo believe in God. There's a commonality somewhere, and we can meet in the middle, always. Check out his book, An Inconvenient Cop.
Anytime you face a dilemma, think about who you want to be in the future, and think about what decision puts you closer to being that person. That's the decision to make.
New Year's thought for you.